जय हिंद दोस्तों। ये रेडियंट हाई स्कूल जो मुशराबाद में है, एनुअल साइंस फेयर है। देखिए 2025 का एनुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस है रेडियंट का। देखिए आप विजुअल देख सकते हैं प्रोग्राम्स के।
Good evening, sir.
Welcome to our science exhibition. My name is Adiba Nuran
And I am Shabana
from class 7. Our project name is Heroes of Freedom Fighter. Freedom fighter, their contribution and sacrifice will forever be remembered and celebrated in the history of our nation. Freedom fighters are the driving force behind a country's freedom struggle. They inspire others to stand up against the country's freedom struggle.
Freedom fighters are people who sacrifice their life for the country freedom. They are considered by the option of patriotic. Freedom fighters are the reason we celebrate the Independence Day, what the generation of today enjoy.
Subhash Chandra Bose, also known as Netaji, he established the Indian National Army. Bhagat Singh, a revolutionary who participated in the Indian National Army.
Freedom fighters are our true hero. We should honor and pay tribute.
Some of the statesmen and attendee who participated in the Indian National Congress. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a senior leader of Indian National Congress. Thank you.
Some of the freedom fighters of India include Mahatma Gandhi, a leader of the India independent movement.
Thank you for visiting our science exhibition.
My name is Ishita. We are from class 8. Our topic name is global warming. The purpose behind of global warming is changes and effects. The significance involved in global warming is greenhouse effect. When the greenhouse affects the atmosphere, it heats up and reduces its effects.
Affects global warming is one of the biggest concern of all people all around the world. One of the most important reason for global warming is rising temperature of the atmosphere every day.
Advantages: warm and sunlight can offer real benefit to your health, from improved heart and lung health to enhanced mental performance. Living in a warm climate may give you just the health boost you need. And increasing in global temperature lead to melting, resulting in a rise in a sea level. Due to the global warming temperature, the sea water is also increasing, thus affecting manual life. We can prevent global warming by planting more trees and controlling the emissions of harmful gases into the atmosphere. 22 July 2022.
Changes like rising temperature, sea level rise, extreme weather, food and water insulation, ice melting, biodiversity. These are the changes of global warming. One of the most important reasons for global warming is the harmful greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. They are burning fossil fuels, intensive agriculture, deforestation, livestock are the causes of the increased temperature in the atmosphere.
For example, the flip side is increased mortality. Heat waves may be decreased mortality from cold waves. In the short term, farmers in some regions may benefit the earlier onset of spring from the longer warm season that is suitable for growing crops. Plant growth and middle climates. The next ice age may be prevented from occurring. Transportation less need energy for consumption to leading the warm.
Welcome to our science fair. Myself Varshni.
Myself Tejas.
And we are from class 8 and our project is about organic farming on terrace. The purpose behind our project is nowadays crops are grown using chemical fertilizers. To get fresh and organic crops, we suggest you organic farming on terrace. Now let us know about scientific principle involved in it. The scientific principle of health, ecology, fairness and care are the roots from which organic agriculture is done and also developed. Materials required: pipes, plywood, cardboard, color papers, glue, etc. Okay, now let us talk about our final step, illustration. Illustration means explanation. Organic agriculture is a process where we grow crops using organic materials like cow dung and animal waste. Thank you for visiting us.
ఇది కాదు కానీ చెప్పు, జస్ట్ చెప్పంతే.
This is traffic rules. Red is for stopping, yellow is for get ready, green for just go, and They are U-turns, speed breaker, and they are U-turns, and there are no way to go, no parking, and stop, right side, signals. That's it. My name is Sheikhan. My name is Mohammed Salman. We are from class 6. Welcome to our science exhibitions. Our project name is different kinds of lines and angles. The purpose of doing to show the project. The purpose of doing to show the project of different kinds of lines and angles are that come across mathematics, science, engineering, arts, and everyday life. The scientific principles involved in different kinds of lines and angles, and the relationship between lines and angles and their behavior in different contexts. Materials used for this project: cardboard, thermocol, fevicol, glue gun, charts, etc. Construction and working model of the project. First, I have taken yellow chart and thermocol. Then I have taken cardboard and fevicol. And I have taken mastics and stick it with glue gun. Our project of different kinds of lines and angles is ready. Now let us talk about angles. Salman sir. This is right angle equal to 90 degrees. This is obtuse angle. This is obtuse angle 180 degrees. This is straight angle 180 degrees. Everyone, welcome to our science fair. My name is Mohammed Zubair. My name is Abdul Mukhit. My name is Farhan Beg. My name is Mohammad Habib Pasha. We are in class 6th. It is just a model to show the zoo park. Importance are how to protect the animals, to show the public different types of animals in our country. The advantages of doing this model is to show the public different types of animals in our country. In this project, I have maintained many different types of animals which has been extended and other has been extended, cutting down the trees and killing the animals, etc. Animals are very important for us. Animals are very important for us. Many important for us. Thank you. So all animals are part of our country. Love them. Safe tree and safe life. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone, welcome to our science fair. My name is Mohammed Zubair. My name is Abdul Mukhit. My name is Farhan Beg. My name is Mohammad Habib Pasha. We are in class 6th. It is just a model to show the zoo park. Importance are how to protect the animals, to show the public different types of animals in our country. The advantages of doing this model is to show the public different types of animals in our country. In this project, I have maintained many different types of animals which has been extended and other has been extended, cutting down the trees and killing the animals, etc. Animals are very important for us. Animals are very important for us. Many important for us. Thank you. So all animals are part of our country. Love them. Safe tree and safe life. Thank you. Thank you. My name is Mohammad Sallu. I am in class 6th. Our school name is Radiant High School. My model name is Traffic Rules and Signals. The purpose of making this model is to show the importance of traffic rules and signals and avoid the accident, save the life of people. The project is based on traffic rules and regulations and uses of the signals. This model is working model shows how to follow the traffic rules and signals and save our and others' life by driving carefully on the road. The parents also should see that their youngers should not drive the vehicles and parents should not encourage them to drive. Be very careful. Be very strictly to drive. Thank you.
Permission to give interview. 1 minute. टीचर से पूछो पहले अंदर बोलेंगे वो अंदर ले लेंगे फिर हाँ अली भाई अंदर आओ फिर अंदर का चुप चुप नहीं कर रहे हो लोग पूरी न्यूज हो जाती गीत की समझ गए अब बोलो ना 2-3 मिनट का हो रही न्यूज एक 10 मिनट 5 मिनट की कौन भी नहीं देखते उनके लेने का कौन भी नहीं देते अच्छा दो भी एक पकड़ना 2 में हाँ उसमें मेन वो है।
ये लगाना।
ये आप पकड़ लो, मेरा हाथ में आप पकड़ लेंगे।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Shafia Begum. I am from 9th standard.
My name is Tejan. We are from 9th standard.
Today, I am excited to talk about Chandrayaan-3, India's amazing moon mission. The purpose of this mission was to explore moon surface, and Chandrayaan-3 is the third lunar mission launched by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, on 14th July 2023. It successfully landed on Moon's South Pole on 23rd August 2023, making India the first country to reach at this region.
The Vikram lander is named by the Vikram Sarabhai, considered the father of Indian space program. It can reach the stars also. The primary goal of the Vikram lander is to successfully land on the lunar surface near the South Pole. The India can reach the stars also.
एटमॉस्फेयर का ही मैं क्या आता हूँ।
क्या लगा लेगा? Everyone, my name is Mohammad Abdul Aziz. I am in class 8th. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mohammad Fazal. I am in class 8. Good evening, everyone. My name is Abdullah Ghaffar. I am in class 8th.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Abdullah Fan. I am in class 3rd section A. Introduction. Solar system. The solar system is made up of sun and everything that goes around it. The sun is a big ball of hot gases in the middle that give light and heat. There are 8 planets in the solar system. The first 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are small rocky. The last 4, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are bigger and made up of gas. Some planets have moons with a smaller object that moves around them. There are also asteroids, rocky pieces, made up of ice and the dust that moves around the sun. The sun's gravity keep everything moving in the solar system. Thank you.
The sun, the heart of our solar system. The sun is a huge burning ball of gases that provide heat and light to all of the planets in our solar system. Without the sunlight, life on the earth would not exist. The 8 planets. Mercury, the smallest and closest to the sun. It has no atmosphere, so it is extremely hot during the day and freezing cold at night. Venus, the hottest planet, covered with thick toxic clouds of carbon dioxide. It is a runaway greenhouse effect, making it doing hotter than Mercury. Earth, our home, it is the only planet known to support life because it has water, air and the right temperature. Mars, the red planet, it has the tallest volcanoes in the solar system. Olympics, moons and scientists believe that they have water at the past. Jupiter, the largest planet, it is made up of giant gas with a massive storm called Great Red Spot.
सुनने को राजी करूँ मगर हम सारी अभी अभी है उतारी जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा चकले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले उसे इश्क घर मेरे पास है कि तुझे कोई क्यों भला तू धूप है छम से दिखा तू है नदी
From class 10. Today I am going to show the human folding robot, human sensing robot. This robot uses advanced sensors and follows a right human or obstacle. This robot it can be used in many fields like carrying items, and it can be used in defense sector to also and it can carry weapons for soldiers. It can be useful it can be modified in future with more advanced components, and it can be used for our cars in future. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. I am Mohammed Sohail. I am in class 7 section B. Today I am going to tell you about an interesting topic, balloon powered car robot. In my project I made a car that moves using gas from a balloon. When you blow air into the balloon, it gets filled with air pressure. When you release the air, it pushes out through a small hole, and this force makes the car move forward. It's kind of like how rockets use gas to push themselves up. I attached the balloon to the back of the car and connected it to nozzles that control the airflow. When I inflate the balloon and let the air out, the car moves. This project shows how air pressure and force can make something move without using fuel or electricity. Thanks for the opportunity.
Everyone, welcome to our science fair. Myself Bhushan Asri. Myself Afifa Ghaffar. We are from class 10. Today we are going to explain about functioning of the heart. The heart is the most important organ in our body. It works like a pump that circulates the blood continuously. It provides oxygen and nutrition to all the parts of our body. A healthy heart is essential for to survive. Let us discuss about structure of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ about the size of the feet between the lungs. It has 4 chambers. Right atrium receives the poor blood from the body. Right ventricles pumps the blood to the body to collect the oxygen. The heart also has valves that ensures that the blood flows only in one direction, preventing backflow. Let us talk about how the heart works. Blood circulation. The heart follows 2 cycle circulation, that is pulmonary circulation to the lungs and systematic circulation to the rest of the body. How the oxygen exchange. Oxygen poor blood enters into the right atrium and moves into the right ventricle. It pumps into the lungs. In the lungs, blood receives oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Oxygen-rich blood enters into the left atrium and moves back into the left ventricle. It pumps throughout the body. Heartbeat. Heartbeat is due to the electrical signal sent by the synovial node. It is also known as natural pacemaker. A normal heart rate is 60 to 100 per minute in adults. Importance of the heart. Pumps the oxygen to keep organs functioning, removing the waste products like carbon dioxide, maintaining the blood pressures and circulation. Conclusion. The heart is a powerful organ that works continuously to keep us alive. Exercise daily, eating healthy food, don't smoke, avoiding stress can keep our heart strong. Do your part, care for your heart. Thank you. One is oxygenated blood, another one
जय हिंद दोस्तों, ये रेडियंट हाई स्कूल जो मुशराबाद में है, एनुअल साइंस फेयर है। देखिए 2025 का एनुअल कॉन्फ्रेंस है रेडियंट का। देखिए आप विजुअल देख सकते हैं प्रोग्राम्स के।
Your system
and have witnessed the real volcano eruption. Real volcano eruption you can see in this direction.
Great, जरा कौन स्लाइडिंग कर रहे हो? स्लाइडिंग पे रील बना ऐसा ले बोलो
पहले क्या आया?